7 टीम्स, 4 स्पॉट्स, ये प्लेऑफ्स की रेस लगता है विल गो राइट डाउन टू द वायर। सबसे पहले बात करते हैं गुजरात टाइटंस की। शुभमन गिल्स मेन हैव वन फुट इन द प्लेऑफ्स आफ्टर अ ड्रामेटिक विन एट वानखेड़े। बस एक और जीत एंड दे आर ऑफिशियली इन। बट हाँ, अगर ये हार जाते हैं यहां से अपने तीनों बचे हुए मैचेस, द डोर्स ओपन फॉर 5 other teams to leapfrog them. The good news, their last 2 games are at home, where they have been nearly unbeatable. Next on the list, RCB. And frankly, RCB fans, breathe easy. One more win and your team is playoff bound. And by chance अगर आप 16 points पे अटक भी जाते हो, a bit of luck with other results could still see them through. पर हाँ, don't celebrate just yet, because a top 2 finish still isn't guaranteed unless they keep piling on those wins, since 3 teams could still hit 20 points. अब साढ़े पंजाब किंग्स की बात कर लेते हैं। They are also in the hot seat. 2 wins from their next 3 games and they are set for the playoffs. And अगर तीनों जीत जाते हैं, they'll have a great chance of finishing in the top 2. पर दोस्तों, if they slip, they'll be scoreboard watching and hoping for a miracle. इनके 2 मैचेस हैं टॉप 5 राइवल्स के अगेंस्ट, सो टफ तो होगा and every ball counts for PDKS. मुंबई इंडियंस गुजरात से हारने के बाद भी their fate is in their own hands. If they win both remaining matches, they'll go through. अगर दोनों हार गए तो सीजन का the end. If they win one and lose one, और टीमों की मदद चाहिए होगी इन्हें. By the way, their net run rate is the best in the league. So if it comes to a tiebreaker, MI should sneak in. अब DC वालों की बारी है. SRH के against they got a lucky break with a washout. But now to keep their hopes alive, they need to win all their 3 remaining matches. अगर 2 matches भी जीते, their fate will still rest on other results, because a traffic jam at 17 points is still possible. With just 1 win in their last 5, DC need a turnaround fast. Defending champions KKR, they are walking a tightrope. Realistically, तीनों मैचेस जीत के they have to reach 17 and stay in the hunt. But even then, net run rate and other team results could spoil their party. It's actually a long shot. But in the IPL, you can never say never. The final team on the list, the Lucknow Super Giants. LSG need to win all their remaining games and hope other results go their way. एक और हार and it is game over. They need a massive turnaround और बड़ी जीत चाहिए in all 3 remaining games, because they also need to boost their net run rate. So that's the playoff picture, guys. Razor thin margins और stakes sky high. मजा आने वाला है.